In today's fast-paced world, where convenience often trumps careful consideration, understanding the profound impact of nutrition on our overall healthcare can realign our approach to health and well-being. Nutrition, like the engine oil in a car, keeps our bodies running smoothly. Neglect it, and the machinery of our bodies begins to falter. But how exactly does nutrition influence our health on a broader spectrum? To begin with, let's consider the role of nutrients as the building blocks of life. Our bodies require a balanced intake of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, along with a host of micronutrients including vitamins and minerals. Each plays a pivotal role in maintaining bodily functions, from cellular repair and growth to immune system support and energy provision. When we fuel our bodies with the right nutrients, we empower them to ward off diseases, regenerate effectively, and maintain optimal health. Take, for example, heart health. The right balance of nutrients can significantly impact cardiovascular well-being. Diets rich in omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like fish and flax seeds, help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Meanwhile, excessive intake of trans fats and sugars can contribute to hypertension and coronary artery disease. Thus, nutrition not only fuels the heart, but also protects it from ailments. Next, consider the intricate connection between nutrition and mental health. Emerging research continually underscores how certain nutrients, particularly omega-3s, B vitamins, and antioxidants, can support brain function and mental clarity. Nutrient deficiencies, conversely, have been linked to conditions such as depression and anxiety. A wholesome diet can, therefore, serve as a preventative measure in maintaining not just physical, but also mental health. Furthermore, nutrition plays an undeniable role in managing chronic conditions such as diabetes and obesity. A diet high in fiber and low in processed sugars helps in regulating blood sugar levels and maintaining a healthy weight, which are crucial in managing and preventing these conditions. For individuals diagnosed with such conditions, nutrition often becomes an integral part of the treatment plan, showcasing its indispensable role in healthcare. Yet, the relationship between nutrition and healthcare is symbiotic. Just as good nutrition contributes to health, poor nutrition can lead to health crises. Inadequate nutritional intake can weaken our defenses, rendering us susceptible to infections and diseases. A healthcare system burdened by treatable diet-related diseases, prioritizing nutritional education and intervention is not just beneficial but essential. As we conclude, it's clear that nutrition is a cornerstone of healthcare, intricately linked to disease prevention, management, and overall wellness. By nurturing our bodies with the nourishment they require, we invest in a healthier future, reducing the risk of chronic illnesses and promoting longevity. As we continue to unravel the complexities of nutrition and its role in healthcare, embracing a diet rich in diverse, wholesome foods becomes more than a lifestyle choice. It is an imperative for safeguarding our health. So, let us make informed nutritional choices that not only fuel our bodies, but also fortify our lives.